In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam inventory error, including the message that says, "This inventory is not available at this time," or error code -118. This is one of the most frustrating Steam issues because it can make your items, skins, or trading inventory disappear for no obvious reason. The good news is that in most cases, the problem is either a Steam server issue or a browser cache conflict, and I'll walk you through the exact steps to check both. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Steam tutorials. Let's get into it. First, the most important thing to check is whether the problem is actually on Steam's side. Open your browser and go to steamstat.us. Once the site loads, look specifically at Steam Community and Inventory Service. These two status indicators will tell you a lot. If either one shows delayed or down, then the error is not caused by your account or device. In that case, there is nothing you can really fix locally, and the best solution is to wait until Valve restores the service. You can keep refreshing later, but if the Steam inventory servers are having problems, the issue will usually resolve on its own once the service comes back online. If Steam Stats shows that everything is working normally, the next step is to refresh your privacy settings. Sometimes the connection between your Steam account and the inventory server just needs a reset. To do this, open your Steam profile, click Edit Profile, and then go to Privacy Settings. Find your inventory setting and change it to private. After that, wait about 30 seconds. This pause helps Steam fully register the change. Then switch the setting back to public, or friends only if that is your preferred privacy level. Once you save the changes, go back and refresh your inventory page. In many cases, this simple privacy toggle is enough to force Steam to reload the inventory properly. If the error still continues, the next thing to try is clearing your Steam browser data. This is especially useful if you are viewing your inventory through the Steam client, because corrupted cookies or cached web data can prevent the page from loading correctly. To do this, open Steam, go to Settings, then click In-Game. Look for the option that says Delete Web Browser Data and click it. Confirm the action, then fully restart Steam so the changes can take effect. After that, go back and check your inventory again. A clean browser cache often fixes strange loading errors like this one. Now, if Steam is still failing inside the client, the next test is to open your inventory in a regular web browser instead. Go to steamcommunity.com and log in with your Steam account. Then try opening your inventory from there. If it works fine in the browser but not in the Steam client, that usually means Steam WebHelper is being blocked on your computer. In many cases, a Firewall or Antivirus program is interfering with the web component that Steam uses to load pages. If that happens, you may need to allow Steam through your security software, temporarily disable the blocker to test it, or add Steam to the trusted apps list. At this point, you should have a pretty clear idea of what is causing the issue. If the Steam community servers are down, wait it out. If the inventory is broken only in the client, clear your browser data. If it works in a browser but not in Steam, check your Firewall or Antivirus settings. And if it still does not load, simply try again later, because these inventory errors are often temporary. I hope this guide helped you fix the Steam inventory error quickly and without guessing. If it did, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Steam troubleshooting tips, fixes, and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.